Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the bench. It is like March 14th, maybe something like that, 13th, and it is snowing. It's a blizzard outside. But first big snow we've really had this year in Western Pennsylvania, especially for 2023, the whole season really. So I can't complain. But it's coming to you today. I'm going to put this out probably this upcoming Wednesday. Oh, this is a good blend I'm smoking today. But I'm not really here to talk about blends. I'm not here to talk about custom boutique blends or that playlist. What I am here to talk about is a little something I got in the mail. All the way, zoom her in there a little bit, from England. One of my favorite pipes that I have is a Blakemar Briar pipe, and I got it a couple years ago. It is a Blakemar Briar Deluxe. Is it a Deluxe or it's an Aristocrat large billiard? Excuse me. And honestly, it's my go-to pipe for English and Balkans when I get some new blends like that. When I'm doing my custom blend series, I tend to always run a bowl or two if it's in that vein of blend. It's always going to go through my Blakemar. So I was on his site, and the gentleman's name is Mike. I'm not sure on the last name. When we email each other back and forth, it's Mike. Maybe Billingsley. I'm not sure. But Mike, anyways, from Blakemar Briar. And I was asking him about this one pipe that I had, and I kind of liked and had an idea about getting, and didn't have the stem I wanted. And then this was in December, I'd say. And we were emailing back and forth. And he just said, want the other stem? He's like, I'll just make you a new pipe. And then there is a problem with the postal system over there. They were on strike, and there's some things going on. So he made it and put it in a post. And actually, I thought it was going to take longer than what it did. But from everything that he said, probably it was only 2.5, 3 weeks. So, no, what did you get? Did you get your pipe? I did. This is Hippo design. Once again, I can't really, how people always do this. Well, it doesn't work when I have the shot darkened up. So check out some video and pictures I took of it. I just got this Saturday. Saturday? I think Saturday. And so check these pictures out, and I'll just keep talking as you guys look at the little pictures and video. So this pipe, I really like the design. This is definitely smaller than any of the pipes I usually purchase and smoke. I didn't pay attention to the size. I assumed its size. Once it came, I was like, oh my goodness. And I cleaned it up, and I have had a couple smokes out of it. But once I had a couple smokes out of it, and how nice it fits in my hand, it still has a pretty deep bowl for being a small in length pipe. It's super light. Excuse me. It's super light. It burns cool. It's not hot. It has a pretty spacious bowl, like I said, for being as small as it is. My buddy Terry out in San Jose, I sent him a picture of it when I got it, and I said, check out how small this thing is. But he said, well, you're taking a picture of it next to your Boswell's. And my Boswell pipe is a beast. Started looking at other things, and then I put on my pipe rack. And like I said, I've had it down here all weekend. I've had a few smokes out of it, breaking it in. And it's really growing on me. I like how light it is. I like how it fits in the hand. And I'm pretty excited that I got this pipe now. I have several others that he makes in my mind that I'd like to get. Like I said, Blakemar is one of my favorite pipes that I already own. But I'm going to do some posting on Instagram about this, put some sweet, sweet pictures. And yeah, it's a smoker. Like I said, compared to a lot of pipes, it's a lot smaller than my other pipes. Trying to get a good, decent way of showing it. I don't really know how, but it's a little guy. Like I said, It fits great in the mouth. It's bent just, you can see that, just the slight bend in that stem and everything. So it just sits perfect. And I think this is going to be a really good, quicker smoke. It's light, so it's easy to clench. A lot of my bigger pipes I can't clench. They just weigh too much. Now, if you ever go on, and there's some videos about Blakemar Briar, he does a break-in thing where he carbonizes the bowl with this crazy looking propane gas thing. I really think it does something to the pipes, and it helps them break in like nothing. This is third, fourth bowl. I think I've had some railroad station through here, a little Northwoods. Sultan's blend right now. We're talking about that one. And it's smoking like I've been smoking it for 6 months. Well, that's good. I'm super excited to get this little guy. I'm super excited because it's smoking like a dream. See if I put it up there. Yeah, I don't know. I have no idea. All I know is when I darken the shot up and it looks better, I can't focus in on close-up things. That's fine with me. But hey, Blakemar Briars, I will leave all the information for them down below. Like I said, they are in England. If you find a pipe you like, you have to email them because they don't accept PayPal or anything like that. They do a different way. And it's pretty simple. You have to do a little math in your head because this pipe right here was 65 pounds. And that was including shipping from the UK. Not too bad. I think it was like $75, $76. But like I said, that's coming from the UK. So that's always a good thing. But I wanted to get this out. I wanted everybody to see it. And I'll probably leave you with a couple parting shots of the beautiful pipe. And hey, from the bench, this is Noah. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.